Okay, this unit is from Luvme Hair. So I will be doing plucking on this unit as well as installing an elastic band. Stay tuned. When sewing an elastic band inside of the unit, it is important to not sew directly to the lace. The lace. Some of the units come full lace, of course, and some of them that are full lace will have this material inside. You want to make sure that you sew to this material versus sewing directly to the lace, because over time it will stretch the lace or cause holes because of the tension from the band.